Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the wisdom of Mahatma Gandhi. 10 of his most powerful quotes, 10 opportunities to reflect and see how his wisdom resonates in your own life. Let's get started. Be the change that you wish to see in the world. Gandhi challenges us to look inward before demanding change from the outside. What change do you yearn for? And how can you embody that change right now? The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. When we dedicate our time and energy to helping those in need, we not only make a difference in their lives, but also enrich our own. When we shift our focus from ourselves to others, we discover a strength we didn't know we had. It's in these moments of selflessness that we find true fulfillment. It's checking in on a neighbor, volunteering, or simply lending a listening ear. These small acts of kindness create ripples of positive change. These acts of service connect us and remind us of our shared humanity. Through service, we build stronger communities and find a deeper sense of purpose. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Embrace every moment, cherish every experience, and make the most of the time you have. Learn as if you were to live forever. Seek knowledge, explore new ideas, and never stop questioning the world around you. If today was your last day, what would you do differently? Would you take more risks, love more deeply, or follow your passions without hesitation? Never stop learning, never stop growing. Every day is an opportunity to expand your horizons and enrich your life. Embrace that thirst for learning and expanding your mind and heart. Let curiosity be your guide, and let every experience be a lesson. An eye for an eye only ends up making the whole world blind. Gandhi reminds us that revenge only perpetuates pain. Forgiveness is where true strength lies. It's about choosing to heal and move forward with love, not hate. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. It's about making sure our actions align with our values. When we live authentically, that's when we find true happiness. The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. It takes immense strength to forgive and release hurt and anger. Forgiveness is an act of courage. It's about reclaiming your power and peace. In a gentle way, you can shake the world. Small acts of kindness have a ripple effect. We all have the power to make a difference with our love. The future depends on what you do today. The choices we make shape the future. Every action counts in creating the future we want to see. Strength does not come from physical capacity. It comes from an indomitable will. True strength lies in the resilience of our spirit. It's about tapping into that inner belief in ourselves and our ability to overcome obstacles. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. This powerful statement by Gandhi emphasizes personal responsibility and the impact of individual actions. Gandhi's words remind us that we are not passive observers. We are active participants in shaping our communities and the world around us. We have the power to create change, starting with ourselves. Every small action contributes to a larger movement, making a significant difference over time. It starts with embodying the change we want to see in the world. By living our values and inspiring others, we can create a ripple effect of positive transformation. Thank you for watching. We hope these timeless quotes by Mahatma Gandhi have inspired you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting content. See you next time.